Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today's video, I'll be swatching these nail polishes by Chic Nail Color. And these shades are part of their Chic Happens collection. These were sent to me by ChicCentre and BOBBIE Cosmetics from their beautiful holiday gift. If you haven't seen that yet, I'll be leaving the link, so don't forget to check that out. Now, let's swatch them! First is IDGAF. Now let's apply a second coat. IDGAF is a true olive green shade. Next we have is No Bad Days. Now for the second coat. No Bad Days is a shade between red and orange. Third we have is Not Sorry. Now for the second coat. Not Sorry is your go-to bluish purple shade. And this one totally reminds me of Upe. And lastly we have is Careless. Now for the second coat. Careless is a bright pineapple-like shade. And those are the 4 shades. So I decided to do a Skittle mani for these. and I'm applying second coat. After letting that to dry, I'm applying Careless by Chic Nail Color. And here's my Skittle mani with Chic Nail Colors, Chic Happens. By the way, I'm super loving the application of the nail polishes, and it's super opaque within 2 coats. Plus, it's also fast drying. You can check out Chic Nail Color and BOBBIE products at their Laz Mall. Link will be available below. And don't forget to follow them on their official social media accounts. Of course, all of them will be available on the description box below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe, happy holidays, bye!